I wanted to show you the plan for Bradley Harrington, who is a 7th grader for me. We have him on IXL for English, so he's going to be going through IXL, each one of these, and taking the study island practice that goes along with it. He's also going to do 2 novel studies for me, and within those novel studies there are at least 2 essays apiece. For math, we have him in teaching textbooks. For now, I think that it has enough review within every single lesson to not warrant adding IXL math, but I'm not sure. This is a list of how we go about trying to figure out how it lines up to Study Island, and also where Study Island fails us. I have a couple weeks where I teach him, Khan Academy teaches him, and we go over this together. Where it does a good job, it's just that's what we'll do the week that I'm with him. And then we have some test prep. He doesn't do too well on geometry unit or probability, so that's just things that I make sure to teach him whenever I see him once a week. Hopefully that is answering most of your questions.